Okay, not a lot of light here, but I did get 2 more posts in. So all 6 posts are in on this side with the bases, the granite bases or natural stone. There's some dolomites and other things in here, but a lot of them are granite. And the floor, I tested it out upstairs with a level and a square, and it's pretty good. It's really, I'm very happy with it. It's come out really well. It was several places were tack on, right on. So now I thought what I would do is put the jack in here on the end, because when this house was raised about 2 feet, this is where the beam was, right there. So when they raised the house, they put in these spacers and then left them. And what I'd like to do is clean that out, concrete some stone in so it's even, and then I want to use granite pieces to go up the rest of the way. So I just got it up far enough I can get them out now. I'm going to start pulling them all out and then see what I have to do to level this off at the bottom here to kind of fill that gap there. I have some stones over there by the stove. Yeah, so we'll figure that out, get the concrete out and get that leveled out so we can put some granite pieces right up through. The stove's going really well. The stovepipe and cleaning the stove and the chimney has really worked out well. It's just working great. The damper is nice and easy to move. The gate here that forces it to go through the ceramic disc for catalytic burner. I guess you'd call it that. It's a ceramic disc that burns the gases. So that's working really nice. The door is great with the gasket out. So we're in great shape there. Need to do some concrete work here too. So if I start over there, I can also work over here too. It's a little warm over here though. So I may not do much of this right now. Okay, let's rip those spacers out, turn them into kindling wood, and figure out what we got to do over there to make that look much better and look like it's completed. And this is all from when they raised the house, which is pretty amazing. They raised the house about 2 feet. Pretty cool.